don't know why it did that, but it just went to Sulfurs. Alright, I know you could see me down here. Sorry, I was readdressing my wound, so that's why I have my shirt off, so I apologize for that. That's over there. I'm not getting up. Alright. I promised you guys videos, and I couldn't remember what I was spying. I'm so messed up with all the stuff that's happened to me being in the hospital. Oh, by the way, I got a new LED mouse. I went to Ollie's and I got it. It's like 5 something. So it changes all these. It's green now. Now it's blue. I don't know if you can see it or not. This is pretty cool. Purple. I think it turns red too. Red, blue, green, orange, yellow, white, purple, black. Red's cool though. There's red. Here it is. There we go. So cool. Yellow, green. Alright, it's changing. Okay, I'm trying to remember exactly what was I supposed to show you? Oh, how I went at. I should have did this in either the arena, or I should have did it in the whatever that thing is when you go up into the cloud and you go to the left. And then you get those things that help you with your Titans artifacts. I can't think of the name of it. But you know what? I don't know if you can see this or not. 22. I had it on full 1080p, but something happened. I had to restart it. And it wound up on 780, so it's smaller. But yeah, here it is. Divination cards. I still got 22 of them. I just used, I think I had like 27, 28, 29. I don't know. I had a bunch, and I used a bunch of them. Oh, this is actually very fortunate for me. I don't know if you can see this or not. I have full strength. Well, I just played a battle, and everything was full strength except for Sigurd at the end. So let's see how this goes. Okay, my new technique is this. Once they stop, Nova is the key to both. Nova's the key. I don't even hit auto. Now I will. Now I will if it lets me. This stupid thing is in the way. You believe that? This stupid asshole's in the way. And I didn't do bad. I don't know. I guess I can't do this. Because, not that it was bad, but that stupid scum just, I mean, honestly, it doesn't really matter. I'm ready to go to bed, and I'm just messing around. I was going to start doing my divination cards. But if you notice, let's see here. Let's do this. Wait, let's do this. Just to get it out of the way so I could show you. Alright, good. Look at this. Not that it's a lot. Here it is up here. Look, it went from like a sliver to like here. Now that's huge. If I was really trying to get a lot of Titanite, if I wanted to get to 900 or 1,000 or 1,100 or 1,200, that would have just wrecked it right there. Because this has already been replenished like 3 times, and it's not going to keep happening. That doesn't usually happen. Anyways, maybe I should just go into that other thing and show you what I wanted to show you. Because I don't think I'll be... This stupid thing keeps getting in the way to battle. I can't go to battle. I can't press these buttons because I don't know if it's the corner thing down there. See, it's in the way. With this, it doesn't really matter. Because these are the ones that always get replenished. Anytime I fight, I could get Nova or Marie replenished. Even that, like, that's pretty bad. I can't do it with this thing in the corner here. Like, if you notice, Nova got hit, but that's okay. I usually wouldn't let her get hit that much. But like I said, I can't play this with that thing in the corner down there. I'll just have to do it without me being in the corner. Just be a total screen, a shot of the screen. What do I have? I don't even know what I have. All right, I have 144 Titan. I think I have 20 some divination cards still. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go like this. All right, 144. Oh wow, we almost have 2,000 Titanite already, and it's 11:50 p.m. The Titanite day is not even 2 hours old, and look, we're killing already. All right, now what do I need to do? Okay, let's see if I can do something. Okay, now this isn't bad. It's going to be 4 of my water guys, the whole team versus their 3 out of their 4 at 119. Ah, crap. Oh no, all right, we're good. We're good. I don't know why they were out of order. I had Marie first for that. All right, first thing I do, click on him, then click on him, then click on her. Boom. Knocks 2 out. Hit auto. Now my auto's on. Go back. She gets hit again. Boom. Perfect. Didn't lose anything. Matter of fact, I gained mana on that. So that was an easy one. It was a good one to show you. But that's not even the technique I want to show you. I'm just doing Titanite is all. Alright, so I still have 20 divination cards. And I think I'm at 154. Alright, let me do this quick so I don't have to make a second video. Alright, I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to go up into the valley, Titan Valley. Tournament of Elements, that's what it's called. I could do this, or in, what is it called? What the heck is that called? The arena, or the great arena, or whatever, the grand arena. Let's pick someone hard. Well, the hardest one here is 48. Okay. So now here's my technique. This is what I think could help you guys. All you guys in my guild, all these little, it's not secrets, it's just practice, practice, practice. More efficient. The more efficient you play, the better your results are, the higher your scores are, the better our guilds could score, actually. So, I don't know if you can see me down here. Here we go. Now this is what I do. Now, it's different times. I could switch these guys around. I know I showed you this before. I could put her in. I could put 3 waters without Nova. A lot of times I like to take Sigurd out. But in this doesn't matter because this is that tournament of Battle of Champions or whatever. And if you could see, my 2 tanks here for fire and woods aren't that great. 91 and 89. I've been trying to get these other ones. Now, I don't know why he's so high. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I think he might be the one that shoots. I could be totally wrong. But I like the defense of Avalon, and I think Vulcan is the one that shoots. I have no idea. I must have just had a lot of emeralds and a lot of gold, and I had time on my hand. And I don't know why, but I don't know why I would develop support first before the 2, even just to keep me in the 2 tanks. So I don't know. It's stupid. I don't know why I did it, but I did it. I have no idea why I did it. I don't know. Let's see here. All right. So I can't start with this thing over. So I got to move this up here, out of the way. So if you notice, his team has 482,000. Mine has 469. He's up by 130. No, he's up by 13,000 on me. But I'll crush him. This won't even be a challenge. Here's my secret. Well, here's the way oh no. Oh shit. that stuff was in the corner when I wanted to hit my guys. Oh, I don't know how am I going to do this. All right, like this maybe? All right, so now it's not going to be in the way. I should be able to do this now. All right. It depends on the team. The team that they send forward is going to be all scattered, so it's going to be hard for me to shoot my Nova at them and knock 3 or 4 guys out. I might only knock 2 out. I'm not sure. So I got to protect Sigurd. But I can't. You know why? Because I realize that this is Tournament of the Elements. They all have 0 mana right now to start off. Even the totem down here. So what I have to do, besides hit pause again, goddamn bastards. Alright, here we go. I gotta keep these buttons over here. Maybe if I do this. How am I gonna do this? I'm really getting pissed. Alright, I need these buttons exposed, and I need Sigurd exposed so I could change stuff around. Didn't really be a bastard. Alright, I think this is good enough. I could click on these guys down here. Alright, now it started and the thing's already going on, and Sigurd's already full of mana, and I haven't even hit him yet. So this isn't going to be as easy as it would have been if I actually had a way to show you this. I had this on full screen, and I don't know what happened. It got messed up. Now it's on 780, so this sucks. And now I just threw both. This now he's dead already. I should just start this over. I still could beat them. I'll just keep it on auto. It'll kill him without me even doing anything. It's not the secret that I wanted to show you. I'm gonna have to just do one over again. And this video is already over 12 minutes. This is crazy. I didn't want this to be this long. Alright, this should do it. Alright, you're dead. Now that was me not even doing anything. I wasn't even playing. The mouse is over here. My blue LED turning purple LED mouse. Alright, now, alright, view defense round. Oh, I forgot about this. It's funny because I could actually lose this. Yeah. Because I have no control over hitting auto and stop hitting auto. Alright, I'm going to replay that guy. Where's he at? Alright, right here. Now I should be able to show you this. What is it doing? I've defeated him, so it won't let me. Oh my lord. Alright. I don't know if I can do that in a minute. Alright, when I play someone that's higher than me, like that guy was the highest. Okay, this guy's, oh, that's the same guy. This guy's higher than me too. Okay, here we go. I got less than a minute. Okay, let's go, let's go. Alright, here's my secret. And if I don't get it right, I'll do another video. But here's the secret. What you do is speed it up, get him going, hit auto, wait till Sigurd becomes... Sigurd always comes... You gotta be kidding me. Sigurd sat there like a moron and never changed. This is unreal. I mean, I'm gonna win just because I know what I'm doing. I could just auto off. Look, he still hasn't gone. I don't know what he's doing. Maybe he got trapped under the tree's roots. I have no idea. Like I said, I'm still gonna crush this guy, but it's not what I've wanted to show you. This is so funny, and it's gonna end in like 3 seconds. All right, that's the video, guys. I'm going to have to make another one and show you the secret. Sorry.